Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so over here we want to classify the type of reaction for the reaction given below. Over here, what we want to notice first is that we're going to have aluminum attached to sulfate ions, we're going to have calcium attached to hydroxide ions, and in the products, the aluminum now is going to be attached to hydroxide ions, and the calcium is going to be attached to a sulfate ion. For this reason, this would be classified as a double replacement reaction, since we're replacing aluminum sulfate, we're replacing the sulfate by hydroxides, and in the calcium hydroxide, we're replacing the hydroxide by sulfates. 3 and 3. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one. Oh, here just a little typo, OH with the 2 outside of the parentheses. Sorry about that.